Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of dress pants, specifically focusing on how to repair some common sewing issues. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a complete beginner, these tips and tricks will help you keep your dress pants looking their best. First up, let's tackle a ripped seam. This is probably the most common issue. The key here is to use a matching thread and a needle appropriate for the fabric weight. Start by turning your pants inside out. Then, thread your needle and knot the end of the thread. Begin stitching along the original seam line, using a backstitch for strength. Overlap your stitches at the beginning and end to secure them. Once you're done, trim any loose threads. Voila, the seam is as good as new. Next, let's address a torn pocket. This can be a real pain, but it's usually an easy fix. Again, turn your pants inside out. Assess the damage. Is it just the pocket lining, or the outer fabric too? If it's just the lining, you can often simply sew the tear closed. If the outer fabric is damaged, you might need to patch it. Cut a small piece of matching fabric, slightly larger than the tear. Place the patch over the tear and pin it in place. Then, sew around the edges of the patch, securing it to the pants. Make sure your stitches are neat and even. Another frequent problem is a loose or missing button. This is probably the easiest fix of all. All you need is a needle, thread, and a new button or the old one, if you still have it. Thread your needle with a double strand of thread, and knot the end. Position the button on the pants where it belongs. Push the needle up through the fabric and through one of the buttonholes. Then, go back down through the fabric and through another buttonhole. Repeat this several times to create a strong attachment. When you're done, bring the needle up through the fabric. Wrap the thread around the stitches under the button a few times to create a shank, and then knot the thread. Finally, let's talk about the dreaded fraying hem. This happens over time, and it's a simple fix. The easiest way to deal with a fraying hem is to rehem the pants. First, carefully unpick the old hem. Then, fold the hem up to the desired length, and pin it in place. Use an iron to press the fold, creating a crisp crease. Sew along the new hemline, using a straight stitch. Trim any excess fabric and threads. And there you have it, a perfectly restored hem. So there you have it, some simple but effective ways to repair common sewing issues on your dress pants. Remember to always use the right needle and thread for your fabric, and take your time. With a little patience and these techniques, you can keep your favorite dress pants looking sharp for years to come. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!